Mizoram Chief Minister Lalduhoma on Thursday said his government would not collect biometric details of Myanmar and Bangladesh refugees. The Chief Minister said the centre is currently providing assistance to the state government to provide relief to refugees from Myanmar and Bangladesh and internally displaced people (IDP) from Manipur who are taking shelter in the state. Lalduhoma informed the Assembly on Thursday that the Ministry of Home Affairs has directed the state government to collect biometric data of Myanmar and Bangladesh refugees in April last year. Although the previous Mizo National Front (MNF) government and initially processed the initiative towards the centre direction by conducting training and appointing nodal officials, the Council of Ministers in its meeting held in September last year decided not to conduct biometric and biographic enrollment for Myanmar and Bangladesh refugees, citing it is not advisable to undertake biometric and biographic preparations due to the State Assembly polls to be held in November that year, he said. Our government has decided not to collect biometric details of Myanmar and Bangladesh refugees. During my meeting with the Union Home Minister in January, I told him that the centre is using the existing portal which is meant for deportations of illegal immigrants for collecting biometric details of refugees, Lalduhoma said while replying to the question from opposition MNF member Robert Romawaya Roite. He said that the Myanmar and Bangladesh nationals who took refuge in the state fear deportations due to centre's directive to collect biometric data from them. Upon request, the Home Minister gave him assurance that no refugees will be deported until peace is restored in the neighbouring countries, the Chief Minister said. Lalduhoma also said that the state government is currently providing assistance to refugees from Myanmar and Bangladesh and IDP from Manipur with its own resources. He said that the centre has also provided ₹3 crore during the MNF rule and is continuously helping the present state government to provide assistance to the refugees and the IDP. According to the State Home Department, a total of 32,221 Myanmar nationals are currently taking shelter in different parts of the state, with Champhai district hosting the highest number of Myanmar refugees at 12,484. At least 1,167 Bangladeshi nationals are also taking shelter in southernmost Mizoram's Longatlai district, it said. Besides, more than 9,000 internally displaced people from Mizoram are also currently taking shelter in Mizoram, the Home Department said. The Myanmar refugees have taken shelter in the state since February 2021 after the military junta seized power, while the Bangladeshi nationals fled to Mizoram in November 2022 during the military offensive against an ethnic insurgent group by a Bangladesh army in Bangladesh, Chittagong Hill Text, CHT. The Kuki-Zo people from Manipur took refuge in Mizoram since May last year following ethnic violence with the majority Meitei community. The Chin people from Myanmar, Buan community from Bangladesh and Kuki-Jo people from Manipur share ethnic ties with the Mizos.